Hotel Weekly from Cambodia, and my friend.
And I'm the assistant Melody
from Philippines. So today we showing you guys how to make tofu lab.
Tofu Lab.
Yeah, tofu lab, and the recipe is similar Thai. Thai Cambodian food is similar. So I will show you guys how to make it step by step. I hope you guys enjoy it.
So we sliced up the firm tofu like this.
Alright, so take us through the ingredients. What do you have here?
This is fish sauce, 4 teaspoons.
You need how many? You need 2 teaspoons.
2
only.
teaspoons, sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is 1 teaspoon of sugar. And this is, we can use 2 teaspoons of chili flake.
Okay.
Red chili flake.
Red chili flake, yes. And this is lime leaf.
Where do you get lime leaves?
We get from
Just from the tree.
yeah, from tree. We cut into very small and
Thin, yeah.
for chili, fresh chili, and lemongrass we have to cut into slice small also, and
Thinly sliced.
2 of the stalks
Limes.
lime.
Yeah,
yes.
2 limes.
And cilantro cut into small. This is fresh garlic.
How many garlic you have there? About 6 to 8.
Yes,
Okay.
cut
And,
into small.
and what's that? Red onion or is that shallot?
red onion?
Red onion.
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you have over here?
Lettuce. So this is romaine lettuce and sliced cucumbers.
I see you kind of sliced it.
Yeah, she made it fancy.
But she made it fancy. Sliced it diagonally and you obviously use the grater to take off the edges.
Okay.
Is there anything missing from here that you'd normally like to add?
Yeah, today I'm using the mint, fresh mint. I cannot
Mint
find,
leaves.
yeah, I cannot find it at the store. And one more thing that I miss, fresh green onion.
Green onion
Yes.
scallions.
Scallions,
Okay.
yes.
How much mint would you add? About the same amount as this cilantro or less?
Less than cilantro.
Like half as much?
Yes.
About half as much mint? And how about the scallions, just however much you want to add to it?
Yes.
Like maybe
depends
2 stalks
you
or
like.
something? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Okay.
next up's the cooking. How do we start the cooking?
First step we have to fry tofu first.
Okay, well then
Fry
we'll
the
go
tofu.
over to the stove and fry the
The
tofu.
kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna start frying the tofu. We need to make sure that the oil is hot, otherwise the tofu will get stuck in the pan. And we need to fry it golden brown.
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah.
And then like,
Yeah. Okay, that's good to say.
Yes, you can do that.
And this was fried in vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is a little better because it's the higher burning point. And another option, which is really nice, is to get a nice steak. And you can do the steak 2 ways. You can grill it or sear it just very quickly and then thinly slice it
Yeah.
and put lime juice on it.
Yep.
Or you can do raw beef, thinly slice it, and then marinate it for like 30 minutes in lime juice.
Yeah.
Right. So we'll go through and cut all this up and here because the pieces were a little too thick.
Yeah.
So instead of 5 in one thing, maybe you're closer to 8 to 10 slices. You want to kind of thin like this.
Yeah.
So she's chopping them down over here. Okay, so we'll finish chopping these ones up.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this the only thing that gets cooked is the tofu, right?
Yes.
Everything else is raw.
Yeah. Only tofu we have to.
All right. So what's
We're gonna need about 2 teaspoons of hot water. So you tell me when.
Yes, just put it on.
Just put it all.
Everything?
Yes.
It looks like closer to 2 tablespoons, but maybe.
Okay.
What's next?
Fresh chili.
The fresh chilies.
Fresh chilies.
Those are our local red chilies. You could use almost any red chilies that you find.
The lime.
Yes.
The lime leaves.
Okay.
Spoon of fish sauce.
And again, all this is, well, that's a big spoon. This is sort of to taste, right? I mean, this is,
Right now. 1
That's
teaspoon
good.
of sugar. Okay.
chili pepper,
Chili, yeah.
the dried chili.
I like a lot.
1 teaspoon first. If we like spicy, we can add it more. Just do 1 and then we add later.
We want 2 limes, but we only have 1, so we're gonna sort of cheat and use 1 lime and use some of the lime concentrate.
And then?
No, the whole thing.
Do more?
You do it.
Okay, put it now.
Just like a lid. Like you fill up the lid with it.
More.
Squirt, squirt.
Yeah. Okay.
Just remember, this is to taste too.
So this is just.
Oh, you're gonna add more?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that was like another teaspoon of
Yeah,
sugar.
true.
So you want to let the sugar dissolve a little bit in there?
Now you add this. Now we add the tofu. Tofu.
Okay. Mix it well.
Yes.
Shit, that smells good
I
already.
know, you can smell that the herbs and the lime.
And then we add garlic and red onion. Yeah.
That's onion or a shallot?
It's a shallot.
It looks like a shallot to me. That looks like
Yeah, we can
2 or
like
3
She said
shallots.
You
you
can
can
both.
use
Yeah.
any kind of onion, she
Good.
said.
Red onion or shallots are the best. Shallots is the best. It's got the best flavor.
They're a little more mild. You want to taste it now?
Yeah,
You taste it.
So
I'm
just-
gonna be the taster.
Just to see the lime and sugar and saltiness.
It's good. It's just salt.
It needs salt. So what would you do? You would add salt?
Yeah, so if we need more
We
salt,
haven't put the fish sauce in yet, though. That'll make
Yeah,
it.
they have.
We did.
Oh, you did?
Nice
I missed
job.
that part.
so we test it after we measure well. We test it first if we want to add something
To add
else
some.
like sugar or fish sauce or
I
salt.
think we're good.
Your fish sauce is the best.
Fish sauce is right there. So instead of salt, we'll add fish sauce.
Yeah. So I want.
1 more
I
spoon.
wanna add 2. I mean, 1
It's okay.
Okay.
What's next?
I try again.
Oh, okay.
What's next?
Okay.
Tastes good.
Matt, try a piece.
More lemon.
Yes.
More
Nope.
lime.
Let Matt test.
Okay.
Did I
I'll
write
try.
around? Right?
Yeah, more lime.
Okay. You tell me.
I like a lot of lime.
Yeah. So
Don't be shy.
don't be shy
Yeah.
because it's supposed
That's
to
probably
be.
good.
This is the
sour.
way you taste. This is the way you like it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. How's it?
Good. I would even put a little more lime, but that's just me.
Yeah. I think. So the last vegetable that we have to put in tofu lab is cilantro because cilantro it's easy to get it.
Bruised.
Yeah. So we added the last one.
Is that the same with the mint? If you were, would you be
Yeah.
adding the mint now
Yeah,
too?
if we have mint, we use the same time with cilantro.
I really can't believe you didn't bring us mint today. This is a.
Yeah.
Embarrassment? Disappointed?
Okay, that's it.
And so, what are you using this plate for? You fill these up, the leaves up with the lob, or
Yeah,
what?
we Eat this lettuce with lard.
Let's do a Melody. You wanna? Is it? So is it? Slob,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
This tofu.
That was an outtake.
Reaction.
How's the tofu lab?
Very good.
This and that's so good. I like it. Hello everyone, my name is Sativigri from Cambodia. Today I will showing you guys how to make tofu lab. It's the similar Thai and Cambodia. This.
It's good. No,
Oh, get nervous now.
I don't even know if the top. So instead of salt, we'll add fish sauce.
Yeah. So
One more
I
spoon.
wanna add two. I mean,
It's okay.
good.
You're good.
That's so good. I like it.